Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Before starting my video, I have a request to please subscribe my channel. Your single click can redouble my efforts. I'm looking for your single click. Thank you. Dear viewers, today's video is about arts essay. The topic is rich countries should help the poor. Let's start the video. Some say that rich countries should help poor countries with trade, health, and education. Do you agree or disagree? Give reasons for your answer and include examples from your experience. Improvement in health, education, and trade are essential for the development of poorer nations. Some say that the government of richer nations should take more responsibility for helping the poorer nations in such areas. In my opinion, the aid of wealthy countries is imperative to fight poverty in developing nations. Today's world has been divided into developing and industrialized countries, which the main difference between them is the amount of money that governments apply in important sectors such as education, health, and commerce. Most of the poorer nations are buried in debts as the result of their unbalanced finances, which are reflected in a failed healthcare and unstructured education system and a weak international trade. This vicious cycle will continue indefinitely unless wealthier nations show interest in minimizing the worldwide economic differences as well as taking more responsibility for assisting less fortunate countries. Most of the African countries live in subhuman conditions because of the extreme poverty, upheaval, hunger, diseases, unemployment, lack of education, and both inexperienced and corrupt administrations. The devastating consequences of the AIDS epidemic in those countries could improve if the infected population were to receive free drugs to control the diseases, have access to health professionals, and get information how to prevent its spread. But this can only be achieved through international health programs in which leaders of the world's richest countries donate medicine and also send doctors and nurses to treat and educate those in need. Moreover, most of the poor countries rely on selling agriculture products and raw materials to rich nations and buying industrialized products from them, resulting in a huge financial deficit. Consequently, they borrow a significant amount of money from the World Bank to try to improve their broken economies. But sometimes the money disappears with no significant changes and they cannot even pay the interest to the bank. Recognizing this as an issue that wealthy countries can resolve, last year the G8, which is comprised of leaders of the 8 richest nations, decided to forgive billions of dollars worth of debt owed by the world's poorest nations. In addition, they developed loan programs to financially assist those countries. In conclusion, leaders of the industrialized countries play an indispensable role in assisting developing nations in dealing with essential areas such as health, education, and trade. Their aid is the key to breaking the vicious cycle poorer countries are locked in, which result in poverty and death. Before ending my video, I once again request to please subscribe my channel if you have still not clicked on subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.